For a special edition of The Law and You, joining us today, as always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, plus a very special guest, attorney Martin Meyer. Thank you all for being here.
Listen, Marty had to class up the joint, so you know, he got the tie
Bring some
on
experience here to the Law and You panel.
Oh, he's forgotten more about the law than Greg and I know.
Smarten the panel up a little bit.
All right, well, let's see what you all can do with our question today, and this is from Mark in Whitehaven. And Mark says, I just got married, and my new wife just found out that her ex-husband lied on their taxes, and now she has a bill of $5,000. Can they come after me for this? What does Mark in Whitehaven have to do, if anything, in this situation?
Mark, the first thing you're going to need to do is pick up the phone and get to a lawyer on this. I don't believe that tax bill is ultimately going to be any of your responsibility, but there's going to be a number of things that you're going to need to do, a number of documents you're going to need to file to make sure that you know, at the end of the day it doesn't become your bill. But I'm going to pass it over to Greg and Marty, and I'm sure they have. I'm sure Marty has.
I'm going to defer to Marty.
I think the direct answer to that question is that there is no responsibility for those taxes by you. The responsibility lies with your wife and her former husband who joined in the tax return, and you have nothing to do with it, in essence. So I think that you're safe. But I think that I agree with Ed, and I suggest that you do seek the advice of counsel and check it out more thoroughly to be absolutely sure.
See, I love it. Marty gets right to the point. Right to the point.
Done.
Done, answered. All right, our next part, as you know, is Results Matter. And attorneys Martin Meyer, of course, Greg Fellerman, and Ed Saramboli. If our viewers need your legal help, how can they get in touch with you?
They can get a hold of us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have a question for Marty that you want answered very directly, put it on our page, and we'll do our best to get him back on another segment.
So you could specifically request Attorney Meyer.
Absolutely.
All right.
We'll get him out of here.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for being here today. We'll see you next time.
See you tomorrow.
All right, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are open to get a question here on the show.